Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a group on Snapchat. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm gonna need you to go to your Snapchat application. Of course, when you're in your Snapchat application, go to this message icon right here at the bottom left hand corner of your screen. And now click on this message icon again to create a chat or a group. As you can see right here, these are my contacts. And for now, just click on the people or the profile that you want to add to the group. So I'm just gonna add my 3 friends right here. Just like that. And now once you've done that, just click on chat with group. So as you can see right here, you can only add a group with a friend. So I suggest you add your friends first before creating a group. I'm just gonna add this 2 right here. And there you have it. I already created a group. So you can name your group right here. And you can also call them using this icons. This is the call icon. And now you can now chat your group that says hi. You can also invite some members to your group by adding members, or you can invite them by sharing the group link right there. So I guess that's it for this video, and if you find this helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click on that notification bell for more contents like this. Bye!